Yeah, guys. So in the previous video, we have seen how to insert a record in the database table, but now we are trying to update the data of my employee table. Like I want to update the salary with the new salary. Okay, so what to do? For that, let me add a button, one more button here for the sake of update operation and increase the font size to double X large. I'm going to properties and the ID of the button is btn update. That is what I have given. The text property changing as update. Okay, and let's see. Let's write the code for clear also, guys. Double click on the clear button. So what I'm writing here, txt employee id dot text is equal to space clear. I'm clearing it. Txt ename dot text is equal to space, and then txt sal dot text is equal to space. Both are same. I mean all are same. Cleared. And then we are writing code for update now. So double click on this update button. And in the previous code, what we have written, I'm just copying and pasting this updating record. But only change here is the query we need to change. Okay, let's copy paste it, guys. So what are we doing here? We are updating record in the database. Updating record from employee table. Okay, how to update? Salary only I need to update. So connection is same. But here the observation what we need to do is in the previous example I told you like SQL connection CN is equal to this is fine. But for every operation if you are writing connection string again and again means it leads to code redundancy. I'm writing same code again and again. That is why I'm just removing this line connection and pasting it here outside of all these events. Here I'm writing it. So what is the reason for writing here? That is I want to access it globally, guys. That's why I kept it outside of all the methods, all the events like page load event, button click submit, button click event. Outside I wrote outside of all. Okay, so that is the reason it's easy for you. You need not repeat the code here. Okay, see guys, in update also I'm not writing it because that is accessible in all. Same connection I'm using cn dot open and I'm closing at the end cn dot close. Done. So it will establish the connection, and here I need to change the query, guys. So what is the query we need to write here? So we need to write update employee. So what do we write generally? Let's switch to SQL Server. If I want to update salary of Prakash 20,000, I want to make it as 25,000. Then update employee set sal is equal to like 25,000. I want to set, and where EMP ID is equal to, so the employee ID is 1001. Just type it and then run it. See guys, one row affected, and you can execute select star for employee, and you can see here 1001 Prakash, previously 20,000, now it became 25,000 just because of the query. And now what I want to do, I want to update Surya's salary to 35,000, but not like this, guys. I want to update from my front end, from my ASP.NET form. So can we do that? Yes. How to do it? With the help of ADO.NET parameterized query. So this time we need to write the query by just changing something in our ADO.NET. Like update employee set sal is equal to at T cell where EMPID is equal to at T EMPID. That is what we need to write, guys. Let's switch to our Visual Studio. So update employee. Okay. So what I need to set? Set sal is equal to at T cell. At T cell. That is what we need to give. Because we want to change only salary, guys. T cell. Where EMPID is equal to at TEMPID. That is what we need to write. So I'm updating employee salary, employee table, where I'm setting salary with the T sal. T sal is coming from my text box. So where EMPID is equal to at TEMPID, temporary employee. This is coming from text box 1. I mean TXT EMPID. Okay. So let's give only two things here because we have only two columns we are focusing here. One is employee ID we are entering, and then we are only updating what? Salary. No boss, I want to update name also, means you can use three also, no issues, guys. So the query will remain same like earlier. Okay, update employee set sal is equal to t sal, whatever new salary we are giving that will be replaced, and where employee ID is equal to t employee ID. So command object is very important, guys. This is what we are mentioning. I want to run this query whatever is given here with the help of cn connection, and we have to specify the parameter with values TEMPID for employee ID, T salary for salary. And then same thing, execute non-query will run this update query and returns 1 if the update operation is successful. So here what I have to give, record updated successfully or salary updated successfully. Let's give the message salary update, salary not updated. If suppose I am giving something like a number which is not available, employee ID I am giving which is not available, then salary not updated. That is the message I want to give. Okay, just run it and check it out, guys, how it is working. So this time I want to update the salary of 1002. Okay, so where is this? Switch to SQL Server, select star for employee. See guys, what is the salary of Surya here? 30,000, but I want to make it as 35,000. So how to do that? Let's switch to our browser. So enter 1002, that is the ID of Surya, and the new salary is 35,000 I want to give. Click on update button. See guys, what is the message? Salary updated successfully. Let's clear this and go back to our SQL server, and let's execute the query, select star for employee. See guys, you can see here it is updated to 35,000. Success. In this way we can do update operation. And the third operation we are going to do is delete operation. We'll see that in the next video. Thank you guys.